Let's now go to goiter, thyroid problems. Let's discuss chi stagnation and phlegm, chi goiter. Goiter that is relatively soft and not painful, often neck ache, a feeling of oppression of the chest, staying, hypochondrial distension and pain. The size of the goiter may fluctuate according to emotional state. The tongue will be swollen with a sticky coating. The pulse would be wiry. For the heart, there will be palpitations, anxiety, chest discomfort, feeling of constriction in the throat. For lungs, there would be sighing, dry cough, feeling of constriction and or lump in the throat, slight breathlessness and sadness. For liver, there's irritability, a feeling of a lump in the throat, and depression. For treatment principle, regulate qi, eliminate stagnation, soothe the liver, make lung qi descend, make heart qi descend, resolve phlegm, and dissolve goiter. The points we use are for distal points, we use triple burner 6, gallbladder 34, liver 3, pericardium 6, stomach 40, spleen 6, ren 12, lung 7, kidney 6, spleen 4, and pericardium 6. And also Huatuo Chi Chi point, reducing method. Local point, Li17, for an even method. For heart chi stagnation, we use heart 5, heart 7, and ren 15. For lung chi stagnation, we use lung 7, Li4, ren 17, and lung 3. For liver chi stagnation, we use liver 3 and bladder 18. The uses for the points, triple burner 6, gallbladder 34, liver 3, and pericardium 6 move liver chi. In particular, triple burner 6 affects the neck, stomach 40, spleen 6, ren 12, all resolve phlegm. Heart 5, heart 7, and ren 15 calms the mind. Lung 7 and kidney 6 open the directing vessel which regulates the uterus and flows over the throat. Spleen 4 and pericardium 6 open the penetrating vessel which regulates the uterus, moves chi and blood, and flows over the throat. Lung 7, Li4, Ren 17, and lung 3 are used if there is a lung pathology and excessive sweating. Bladder 18 is added if the stagnation of liver qi is pronounced. Thank you for your attention.